new member of our team right here. Pedro Rodriguez. Let's go. Come on. We've already got everything loaded up. Lock the door. Where'd he go?
He's going to the...
He's probably already, he's trying to climb into the truck. Oh yeah, here you go. Look at him. Come here, here's your little treat. Alright. I'm in there. Alright, you ready to go, buddy? Alright.
Come here.
Alright. We'll be on our way. Look at that crazy truck over there with that house on it. Look at that.
You ready to go fishing? Yeah. Everything's so green and beautiful.
It looks pretty calm out there, don't it?
It's calm. Oh, look at Daddy.
You ready, buddy? We're gonna give him heck. Alright, so we're gonna get back when we're on the fishing grounds. Alright, we're finally heading out. Pedro's first fishing trip. He's been camping before on this boat, but he's never been fishing.
So Pedro Rodriguez, are you having a good time? Are you just happy to be a part of this? I'm just riding in the boat.
Got one? Better come out about 15 minutes. Oh, there's a zip out there. Oh, man. Who's that at? Pull him in. Come on, pull him up. Nice little. You reel the line up, you grab the dang thing. I feel myself over there. Boy, that's a huge one. Got one? Well, we've had our chum out about 15 minutes. Oh, there's a good bite there. Oh man, they're knocking the poop out of it.
He's little, whatever this one is.
Maybe it's a cod. What is that behind us?
Cod, Richard, I need your help.
I got it. Just pull him in, honey. Come on, reel him up. That's a nice one. Won't you reel the line up to where we can grab the daggum leader? I'm about to kill myself over here on the line. Now, that's a nice one. God almighty. Boy, that's a huge one.
about that fish, Pedro. There you go.
Got him? All right.
Feels like a little halibut. The gut pulling thing out, please.
I don't know where it's at, honey. I never had it.
I gave it to you.
Yeah, but I never used it.
Put it on there.
My
It's killing
Lord.
me.
Still acting small. Where in the heck is this gaff at?
Here he comes. Halibut.
Is he a keeper?
Maybe.
Let's see here.
Nope, it's a top. Wait, no, it's a halibut.
Oh yeah, that's a keeper. Get him up here. Dang it. Yeah, that's a good one, baby.
All right.
There you go. Let me get a picture of that. Yeah, I'll take that all day long. And what? Oh yeah, that's a good one. I'll take that all day long. Gotta be wet. You sure it's totally wet? Put your finger across. Got him that time, back up. Yes. All right. All right, you may have to move some of this conglomeration over here.
Oh, now you want my help.
Well, I mean, you're sitting here.
I mean, I had to
How
catch my
you gonna
fish.
gaff
Did
this
you?
fish with all this stuff in the
Did
way?
you? Did you help me move anything? No.
Didn't need it, because I gaffed you. All right.
Well, I can catch it.
Sure would be nice to have that thing. Those things you put in the daggum,
You mean the things that rips your guts out? That keeps your guts from being ripped out? One of them things?
get on there. Well, I'll leave this fish. I get him, let's go. You want to look at him?
Catch to a piece, I'd say save him. The hook just came out.
Yep. Gotcha. Oh. Where's that thing? Yeah, now. Stick it over. Alright.
He's shaking his head like that, but
Look at your cod. Oh, no, there he goes. There he goes a little bit. Oh, there he goes.
that's a halibut. Now I got my line down, so let me get my line all the way up. Since that one seems like he's a little bit bigger. Or else we're gonna have a tangled mess. And we may already have.
I was fishing from the front of the boat. Oh, it wasn't actually coming from the back.
I don't think it's
Here he is, come on.
Hang on.
Got it.
Give me a minute.
Holy crap, I guess you're not. Oh yeah, that's a good one. I got you that time, back up. Where's that thing? Anytime now. Just stick it on there. Alright. Could be a cod. Oh, no, there he goes. There he goes a little bit. Oh, there he goes.
That's a halibut.
Yeah.
Now I got my line down, so let me get my line all the way up since that one's a little bit bigger. Alright, I have an ankle mess. Everything I already have.
Well, I was fishing from the front of the boat. No, I wasn't. I actually hung it from the back. Here he is. Come on. Holy crap. I just gaffed him myself. Come on. Oh, yeah. That's a good one there. A little bit better than that last one. Let him get you. Yeah, that's a little bit better.
There you go.
Thank you, babe. All right, I'm done now. You want to use this one?
No.
That would be the thing. Go ahead and use it. Because, I mean, just work. Reel yours in. Let's get it over with. All we need is one more. There we go. How much you think this one weighs?
15 pounds.
Locking in. Come on, lock in. $18.12.
Oh, good job. Correct.
Yeah. Yes, I did. Well, if he's decent, we'll go ahead and put him in the box. Be done with it. I mean, we should have some good footage if I don't lose the camera on the coming up.
Shaking his head like a hell. We definitely will get those other things. Yeah, it's another halibut. He's small.
Well, you wanna?
Let's just keep him and go.
Okay. All right.
Are you gonna get him?
Yeah, come on.
All right, two halibut.
That's it.
That's it.
16.79. Am I wrong? So even if you added 2 pounds to it, it'd be about even with mine.
Whatever. He's known to tell it too.
Well, I mean, I got it on video right here. You're welcome to damn see to read them and weep. All that damn talk. The old captain switched up. He knew just the right pitch to strike them out. Got that batter out. Ooh, there they are. Yep, that's them. Ooh, that's a good one too. Heck, gum. It's all up under the boat. That was a good one. There we go. I thought I seen something chasing it. Pretty good one.
Put these fish in the thing.
That's fine, babe. That's a pretty good fish there. Oh, look at there. That ain't bad. That is not bad for the first one of the year. I mean, over here. Holy mackerel. Look at that hammer knocker right there. 4.77. Not bad. 4.77. It took a little while to. Oh, got it. I got a fish on, baby, with the camera on. Just what I wanted. Come on, bad boy. Yes, he kept hitting it. Yes. Nice one, too. Look at there.
Wow.
All right. Now that does me for those. This is what Pedro's doing now. He's had a rough day. Had a rough day. Look at him. That is unbelievable.
He just sleeps like that.
Yeah.
He don't even care.
No, he don't.
He may be legal.
I don't think they come in till July.
Oh.
Yeah, I think he would be legal. I told you it was something big. Good God.